Good morning, man. This your boy Win, man, and welcome to my YouTube channel, man. Right now I'm at work. I'm sitting here waiting on them to unload this trailer so I can switch it out and I can hit the road going back home, man. I gotta do it all over again tonight. I've been driving all night, and tomorrow night I gotta drive all night. This trailer right here really supposed to have been done when I got here, so I'm really supposed to be like about done and on my way to hit the road right now, but I gotta wait on them to unload this trailer. So, you know, truck driving ain't nothing but a big waiting game. Anyway, get to these places. If you interested in driving trucks, if you ain't got patience, don't drive trucks. If you don't want to be away from your family when you first start driving trucks, don't drive no truck. It's a big waiting game. You know what I'm saying? And the money's alright. It ain't all that. It's alright though. I mean, I'm ready to. I like to get to these places, hook, drop, hook, and just cut out, man. Cut out. You know what I mean? But it's all good though, man. I'm still getting the money. I needed to take a 30-minute break anyway, so I ain't even really tripping. But it's cold out here, man. The weather is changing. It's definitely almost winter out here, boy. It feel like it's winter right now, but it's the fall. Yeah, it's freezing out here. I didn't feel like sitting in the truck, so I got out the truck. You know what I mean? Sometimes you sit in that truck all day and you just want to get out. But I'm gonna do a I don't know if I should do a time lapse or what. Yeah, I think I'll do a time lapse real quick, so hold up. Alright, y'all, I got everything hooked up, man. Finally, after about sitting here for about an hour almost, I'm hooked up. Got the glad hands all hooked up. Kingpin lock is in there, looking good. Let's check on there. Yeah, it's in there. What I'm checking is in there, making sure that that it locked around that hook. And sometimes I'll be having trouble with getting it locked. I gotta slam into the trailer. Kick the tires a little bit, make sure they got some air in them. Gotta make sure that this trailer don't got a seal right here. There's no seal. And I'm gonna open it up, see if it's empty. Make sure that the trailer is empty, and it's empty. You know what I mean? Locked up, lights is working, flashing, boom. Kick these tires on this side. Lights working, flashing. Look like I'm all good and ready to roll out. Just gotta do log in to the system, put my trailer number in, write down what I need to write down, and I'm off hitting the road, man. I think Target. Oh shit, I got something playing in the background. Shoo, loose. That sun. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do this stuff so I can get up out of here. So I'm gonna see y'all in a minute, man. Man, you know what? I'm gonna get right gone in this Target and use this restroom before I head out, because once I get on this road, I don't want to do a bunch of stopping. I just want to keep rolling until I get all the way back to the yard. Why do it look like that? Focus, son of a gun. Ooh. Ooh. It's Taco Tuesday. Taco Tuesday.
You did that.
Dang. Burn rubber. Jeez. Jeez. Man, I gotta clean up. Today is Taco Tuesday. We about to fix these tacos. Look at her. Get out of here.
His diaper needs to be changed.
You see how she set me up? See how she set me up? Go get your diapers. Go get your diapers. Get your diapers, man. Go over there and get the diaper back. Go. You gonna get it? Right there. Look. Over there. Over there. Bag is over there. Go get your diaper bag. Right there. Come on. Look. Gotta get your diaper bag right here. Change the booty. Get up there on the couch so we can change that booty. Yeah, little fella. I'm gonna change my little guy real quick. You ready for me to change that booty? You ready for me to change that booty? You ready? You ready for me to change that booty? Jeez. Jeez. Hey man, don't be changing the channel. Don't be changing the channel.